guys, welcome back to my channel. I have, not uploaded in a while. So sorry. Yeah. So today we're playing Escape 2. I made a short video on this. Well, not really, but today we're gonna play this game. You know. So by the looks of it, no new changes. Eh. Oh, what's this guy doing? Hmm. Oh yeah, little. Oh yeah. There's a secret right here. Yeah, right here. If you guys ever play this game, there's that. Well, yeah. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, hope you enjoy my vids. Sorry I've been uploading in a while. I was just pretty busy. So yeah, let's join the lift, I guess. Let's see. Oh, yeah, we can spectate. I'm gonna do this guy. TikTok master number one. Uh, okay. Alright. Used to play this game a ton, but then I kind of got bored of it. Yeah. Oh god. Two people are left. Oh no, it's gonna go to easy. No. Okay. Maybe easy would be a nice warm up, I guess. No, just stop spectating, I guess. And let's see what map we got. Oh! No! This is the easiest map. And what I mean easy, it is easy. Like, no joke. Like, all you gotta do is just press a couple of buttons. Look how slow the water rises. It's not even rised yet. Oh god. Okay. Yeah, like we're already almost on this map. Like we literally just got up this press a couple more buttons and that's it. Nobody has died in it so far. It's pretty good. I'm gonna see if I can do this little glitchy. Oh, yeah, there's this little glitch you can do where you can go like this, or you can like tell that you're survived, but you're still like in the map. Oh yeah, try doing that. No. Oh, increase normal. Let's go. Let's see what map we got. Oh, Oriental Grove. Oh, by the way, for that thing, it's not actually gonna kill me. I already survived. Uh, oh great, my internet was bad. It's been like froze for like a couple seconds. Well, it didn't freeze, but like it took a while to load. Must mean they might have added like a couple more details. Yeah. Oh, oh, I almost lost. Yeah, I do know a lot of the shortcuts on these maps, so if you see me doing some risky stuff, it's probably a shortcut. Okay. Man. Uh-oh. Oh, we're stuck. Oh, okay. Ow. That's stuck there. Oh. Well, wait. We can... Oh, we can emote. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, yeah, this was my old emote. I remember. So, yeah. Yeah, what? This meditation. Pretty cool. Good morning. And, okay. Oh, yay, it's hard. Alright, I'm on. Stop emoting. Oh, this This map actually isn't that bad. It's only rated hard because of the swimming part. A lot of the times, people die in it because they can't press the buttons beforehand. Yeah, yeah. Most of this is just swimming, so this map's pretty simple. Doesn't have like so much detail. Oh, by the way, guys, actually is a game called Flood Escape 2 Map Test, which if you put some code IDs, you can test out maps that aren't in the game. So if you guys wanna see me make a video on that, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I think it'd be pretty cool. Test out maps that aren't in the game yet. Oh my god, I'm about to die. Oh, holy, we barely made it. Oh yeah, it's insane. Oh, this map's also a lot of swimming. So it's one of the easier insanes if you ask me, because there isn't actually much parkour. Oh, I already pressed that. Alright, let's see. Ah, good. Get there, bubble. Get there, bubble. Press. Oh, come on. Why is nobody pressing that button? Alright. Somebody went for this one. Oh, no, nobody did. Oh, good. Now we're dead. This thing turns into acid really quickly. So, hopefully we can make it. Oh, it's already acid. Oh, no. Oh, I died. No. Oh, man. Oh, everybody died. Oof. Oh, I know a ton of shortcuts in this map. Except some of them actually got patched. If you're really good at parkour, there's a little shortcut you can do like that. Pretty easy, instead of having to wait for that button to get pressed. There used to be the shortcut right here that you can go like this. Oh wait, you can still do it? Oh. Oh yeah, it takes a lot of skill though. Well, actually not really, but like, it's a bit hard because they patched something there, which doesn't allow you to jump out anymore. This is a part that a lot of people fail on, like that. There was an example like that. Let's see if I can do it. This. Oh man. I wanted to do that little glitchy thing. Alright. Next round. Oh, it's hard. Yay. Whee. We're swimming in lava. Oh, this map. This map's an interesting map. Actually, I'm gonna go first. I was saying this map's interesting because it's actually like very cool themed map. And instead of actually having like a lava rising, what you have is a big ghost wall coming at you. Kind of like the map Poisonous Valley. If you play this game, probably know that map. Alright, well, people got that button. That means I got this one. I'm actually not that rusty at this game. I'm surprised. I mean, it does explain a couple of things. Yeah, I was playing this game before, so maybe that's why I'm not as rusty. E oh, Alright, we made it. Emote and wait for the other guys. Meditate in midair. See? Look at that big ghost wall coming for them. Think of their demise is waiting. Oh, whoa, that girl, like, almost died. Oh, it remains at heart. Oh, kind of one insane. Oh, this map. I dislike this map for many reasons. One, it's straight up lava. Two, the spinning things actually kill you if you get too close to them. And three, I think that's all I know. But yeah, like there's this glitch that happens where if you put like if you make yourself go against the spinning things there, they will actually kill you. Oh crap. Oh no, I might die. I went the wrong way. Okay, no, I don't know. I'm so good. Oh, I'm actually kind of rusty. I forgot where to go on this map. Well, that sucks. Hey, at least we made it. Oh, come on. Let me do this glitch or oh. Alright, so this remains that hard. Okay, hopefully we got actual challenging. Oh, Darkside Forest. I've beaten this map quite a bit of times. It's not that bad. Oh, I almost died there, and that would have not been good. Alright, come on, let's go. Alright, anybody? Oh, alright. Alright, there we go. Oh man. Oh god. Alright, let's keep going. Ew, wow, it got dark. Must be the new lighting they added. Escape 2 has had like a lot of oh my god. Has had a lot of updates, but a lot of them have been like details, not like actual gameplay, which kind of sucks. But I mean, it's the developer's choice on what updates they want. The latest update's a Game Pass, which is okay, but it's not actually something kind of useful. Oh god, that's the part that a lot of people fail at. Oh come on. Oh, that person wanted to do the glitch, but didn't make it. Oof. It turns to normal. Man. Well, alright. I like to do this button because it's pretty fun. Yes. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this game. Like, I can't even latch on anymore. That sucks. This part's pretty cool because ever since they added this, like, alarm part, it's actually, you know, pretty epic. Oh, everybody went for that bully. Eh. A lot of people fail at this part also because you hit your head there. Just waiting for some more peoples. This guest person was the person that died last time. Alright, increase the hard. Nice. Oh yes, this is actually one of my favorite hard maps. This is an actual challenge. Except I die a lot sometimes. Alright, I'm just gonna leave those guys to that. I'm gonna go take this button because I like to. Oh my god, I almost died there. Wait, oh god. Holy crap. Oh wait, nobody pressed this button? Oh, we're dead. Holy crap. So, I couldn't tell what that button was. Because it looks like it was coming through a different door. Yeah, we're probably gonna die. Alright, oh god. No! No! Holy crap, I almost died. Oh, the lava rose. Well, that sucks. Ugh. Oh, Mysterium. Alright, this isn't a bad map. Because it's, well, actually, fun fact, this was the map that took, this was the normal map that took me the longest to beat. It took about 2 months just to beat this normal map. Oh, just on time. Right. Made it to that. Take this little shortcut. Well, oh, okay. Yay, I glitched out! Finally! See? I'm still on the map, but it said I survived. So now I can actually go swim into the acid without dying. See? So we can pretend to beat the map. Alright, jump, jump, jump. Press button. Press other button. Jump down. Jump. Press this button. Here. Okay, jump. Oh, it's not hard. Alright, let's see. Let's see which map we got. Oh, this map. This map is easy. It's actually, because you can literally just jump down there and take that ladder up. See? She's gonna do that little shortcut. I like to do this just because a lot of people don't like to press this button. And one missing button can really screw up everything. Also a little shortcut right there. Parkour, you can do it. I wouldn't say I'm a pro, but I'm pretty good at parkour. Like on before I actually started a YouTube channel, I actually used to play parkour games like 24/7. Yeah, until I got bored of them, and I decided to start playing other games. Well, a YouTube channel. I don't know how long this video's lasted already, but in my opinion, this lasted a pretty long time. Oh my, ah, ah, ooh, man. Well, let's emote them. Why do my hands look pink? That's weird. My hands look pink for a sec. I look pink. It must be the shading. It remains a hard. Ooh. There's a map we haven't played yet, and it's also hard difficulty. And it's this map. We just got it. Once again, in my opinion, this is the hardest hard difficulty map because it's just very challenging for a hard difficulty. Yes, me. Like that part is really hard. Because it's basically a wall jump, except you're not actually wall jumping. You're wall climbing? Oh, she's got that. Alright, well, those guys got those buttons, so that just leaves me to do this. This is the part where a lot of people die if they're not careful. Because it's like a bottomless pit, except lava? Well, it's a lava pit, basically. Yeah, if you fall here, you go into a lava pit. And yeah, I just showed a good example of why you shouldn't do that. Well, I just died on a map that I don't know what I don't know. Hmm. Alright. Let's see. I think I'm gonna do one more map and probably wrap up the video there. Because this has already been a long video. A normal map? No! I must say this new lift is very cool. The old one was actually... The old one was also, well, it was cool, but it didn't have as much detail. Oh, I fell. And, by the way, this map's called the Crypt Seas, if I didn't mention that earlier. It's a normal map. This was the first normal map I've ever beaten, so I kind of like it. Pretty cool. Oh, there's a hitbox. Are you kidding me? Ah! Oh, whoa. I just went through the top. Gonna head start on this group button. A lot of people also die here in this map because they don't press that button. Oh man, I was about to die. Can't emote because I'm in water. Man. Alright. Okay. Up, guys. Then I'm gonna wrap up the video there. I know you can't see anything right now, but yeah. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Yeah. See ya. Bye.